Ah ben oui, mais je crois que sur le plan planétaire même, on va revenir dessus. Vous savez très bien que le football des jeunes constitue un football de relève, mais il est néanmoins quand même à relever un fait ici, c'est que par forfait, qui ont été une cascade, et je crois que quelque part cela remet tout simplement sur le plateau ici le football.
Après-midi, Germain Noël-Essengue, Gideon de Final Casa. Nous espérons que vous nous recevez dans de bonnes conditions au centre de production de Mbaladeux. Bienvenue au Limbe Omnisport Stadium qui accueille sa deuxième confrontation internationale cet après-midi. Ce sont les Lions Cadets qui affrontent les Harambee Stars.
And Kumba. It has been raining here since morning, and it is apparently under this kind of condition that the match is going to take place this afternoon.
Qui suivent en direct cette conférence Boumagana, que le spectacle sera beau.
It's quite going to be beautiful, and we are having to battle Jean-Cyriac Bessé with so many hundreds of fans who are turned in spite of the session there. First attempt, but the clearance comes.
De Ndiaguna John, le portier Amako Michel. Et cet après-midi, c'est son camarade Amako Michel qui garde la cage du Cameroun. Semble s'extomper. On espère que ce sera pour toujours.
It's really going to change because the cloud is still looking with a long one coming there from Kenya, hoping to get on the equalizer. But of course, Hamako Michel Gandhi is keeping the goalpost. And I'm very sure this afternoon he did not come here to let that kind of a mistake. Kenya trying to press on. We express for you, you are in Cameroon.
Alors que le portier camerounais a quelques soucis, il reçoit les soins des soigneurs qui sont allés s'enquérir de la situation. Le jeune Michel Amako, qui a disputé 3 rencontres au tournoi de l'UNIFAC. 3 rencontres victorieuses d'ailleurs, Benen Boumagana, puisque l'unique match perdu par le Cameroun.
It tells you how much Cameroonians love football.
Voici le dossard numéro 14 de cette sélection kenyane.
Putting that one. Oh, this is great for Cameroon. It calls for celebration. Get ready to...
Génération amenée par le coach Anato Labé qui avait...
Kenyan. Et je disais tantôt qu'on avait un tout petit peu peur avec ce long voyage.
Attention. Attention. Loukale Biron qui essayait là de trouver Jubile. Il y a de quoi jubiler Benen Boumagana. Il y a de bonnes raisons de jubiler. Il n'y a pas de danger en face. Le Kenya.
The Kenyan number 7 t-shirt, Muriti Erius, Nalova Mokake, and all the staff of CRTV, Prosperous Sam, all of them, they did quite a great job. And I think if the population is out here today, it's because of the work they did. Watching, and for the population, there's plenty of satisfaction. 30 more minutes to go, and I think the goals are not yet over. Here comes the Harambee Stars, the clearance coming right in them. They're getting up front, getting up back. Number 11 shirt, Maliso Matthew, but he goes off. Now we learned that it's because the players got to Douala early in the morning, and then for this movement, for this little change, great.
Oui, c'est normalement le public de Bafoussam qui aurait pu bénéficier de ce spectacle.
Alors que les femmes passées à la trappe, le bracelet a retenu ces joueurs-là. Et le Nigeria, nation des moins de 17 ans. La compétition va se dérouler à Madagascar au mois de mars 2017. Ce sera la 12e édition.
The place of Bessolo Manga, 7 for Cameroon, nothing for the Harambes. An opportunity for the Harambes. Oh, that's not the kind of thing you expected, and this is the kind of thing you got. Splendid beauty, Limbe African smile. To receive 1st of January 1990 has no place in this competition. You're already an old man.
Mako, belle détente qui permet là au Cameroun, pour ces jeunes Kenyans, le compartiment défensif camerounais veille au grain. Les garçons comme Ndie Mezame, Joe Ngakole sont là comme des armoires à glace pour empêcher
Struggling to get their game come on.
Bertin Ebouelendingue qui est passé par le banc de touche Benen Boumagana de la sélection nationale minime. Il y a passé. Donc la jeunesse sportive du Cameroun est tout simplement gâtée. En quelques heures seulement, ça s'est vu ce week-end. On est parti d'une programme.
And a little ruffling at the Cameroon 18-meter box. And it's a penalty for the Harambee Stars of Kenya. It is taken by Karungari Kenneth from Tusker Youth Academy. Let's see what happens in this face-to-face encounter. At least one goal to take back home to Nairobi in Kenya. One goal to take back home. That is if they score. It wouldn't change the face of the game much. But at least they'll go home with a goal. Great game from Hamako Michel. Beautiful game from Hamako Michel. I think the match will end right now. Jean-Sylvain Akpese. See how he plays. See how he plays soccer. As far as goalkeepers are concerned, we cannot say we do not have in Cameroon. As far as the defense is concerned, we cannot say we do not have in Cameroon. They have decided to get for Kenya. It is clear, Jean-Sylvain Akpese. We can now say the director of the Limbe Stadium. Great work to Senator Mbelamoki Charles and all his team. Great work to the Cameroon Football Federation. Great work to the Ministry of Sports and Physical Education. Great work to the players. Quite great congratulations to all of you. Like they say, es the Mesa S.